Good morning. We are here to work again through our virtual PBX guide. This is the user guide that you'll receive with your phone. This guide gives you many bullet points as far as how we can do things with our phone. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to do placing a call. An internal call, you just need to dial the extension that you want to dial. So you would just go over and you would pick up the phone and say I wanted to dial someone in my office. I would just dial it. You can see here it's going to ask us, I can hit dial or I can wait. It's going to call Melanie, who works in my office. I'm just going to hang up because I really don't need to call Melanie right now. That's an internal call. No extra numbers, no nothing like that. Now, if I want to make an external call, so I want to call someone from the outside, I'm going to have to pick up my phone again, and for my company, it's a 5. You will get that information at the time of installation. It'll come in your setup guide, and I dial the number. I'm going to dial my phone number. Okay, and again, it's dialing. And I'm just going to end call because I didn't really want to call myself. So that's exactly how you do it. But as far as the outside line, the number that you need to push for an outside line, that will come to you through your sales rep or the technical department that is actually, getting the phone installed or getting things set up for you. So it's as simple as picking up the phone and dialing. You can also use the speakerphone to make a phone call, but that's something we're going to get into in a little while. So today we've learned how to pick up the handset and place a call. All right, thanks for watching.